Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled, you'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. From Kelley Blue Book, we feel the Escalade ESV delivers the smoothest and most comfortable ride offered on a body-on-frame vehicle. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.